How to create a landing page on Mailchimp. So first, go to your dashboard here. Next is just click on create button here, and then look for landing page. Now click on it. Then just type in your landing page name. So let's say I'll name mine as example landing page. Okay, now my audience is, well, just select your audience here from this drop down. So I'll choose mine. So after that, just click on begin. Okay, let's just wait for it to load. Okay, now what you need to do next is just select your template here from these lists. So let's say I want to use this one, the modern one, the promote products. Okay, click on it. Okay, next is, of course, let's just wait for it to load. Okay, now you will see the template for the landing page. So you just need to customize this, your title. Of course, you can use all of the options here, the blocks and the style, text. Just customize it however you want. Next is, after you're done with this, just click on save and close at the bottom. Okay, now you just need to make sure that all of these ones are properly edited. Your page and title, site icon, social share preview, URL, audience, and content. Just make sure that all of these are done and no errors, and just after that you can either finish it later or publish it, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.